Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are very fine and safe at home. We are going to start with our new Oxford Modern English for grade 4, and we are going to start with a poem which is called Leisure, written by William H. Davis. So students, before we start the poem, let us come to the difficult words. Bow, a branch, broad, hair full open, care, a worry, something that takes all our attention and causes us to worry. Enrich, to make rich, to improve the quality of something. Glance, a quick look. Stare, to look directly at something for a long time. Okay, let us start with the reading of the poem, then I'll go with the summary of the poem. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep and cows. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. A poor life this is if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. Okay class, this is a very beautiful poem written by William H. Davis. So leisure means free time, fare waqt. So students, in this poem the poet has said that we have made our life so much busy in this maternal life that we are having no time to see the natural beauties around us. वो शायर इस नज़म में ये कहना चाह रहा है कि हमने अपनी ज़िंदगी को इतना मसरूफ़ कर लिया है कि हम अपने इर्द गिर्द जो हमारी कुदरती खूबसूरती है उसको हम कभी देख ही नहीं सकते हैं। अगर हम फर्स्ट स्टैंज़ा में ये कह रहे हैं कि हमारी एक ऐसी ज़िंदगी है कि हम ना कभी खड़े हो सकते हैं और ना हम कभी नेचुरल ब्यूटी को घूर सकते हैं। कभी हम दरख्तों की शाखों के नीचे नहीं खड़े हुए और कभी हमने गाय वगैरह को और बाकी जानवरों को गौर से नहीं देखा, और जंगलों से गुज़रते हुए हमने कभी गुलहरियों को अखरोट घास में छुपाते हुए नहीं देखा। हमने कभी रात के वक्त सितारों को आसमान पर चमकते हुए नहीं देखा। और हमें इस पोएम में पोएट यही कहना चाह रहा है कि हमें अपनी ज़िंदगी को इतना मसरूफ़ नहीं करना चाहिए कि हम ज़िंदगी में मौजूद खूबसूरतियों को ना देख सकें। सो हमें अपने इर्द गिर्द मौजूद चीज़ों को देखना चाहिए ताकि हम ज़िंदगी की खूबसूरती को एंजॉय कर सकें। सो स्टूडेंट, दिस वाज द वेरी इजी पोएम. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you feel any difficulty, you can ask me. Learn all the meanings sentences which are given to you in the syllabus. Thank you so much.